Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are, is it morning or afternoon? I guess it's 11:30, so it's still morning. So this morning we are going to show you a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a truck we got on trade. It is a 1987 GMC Sierra Classic 1500, four-wheel drive, 8-foot box. And this truck has been completely restored. It has the body and paint is fresh, new, very super solid truck. The truck came out of Florida originally, so the body panels are very nice. It is an 87, so it has the fuel injected engine under the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, factory power windows, factory power locks, factory tilt wheels, cruise control. It's got a retro radio in it. Check out this little thing here. That little GMC cup holder that slides into the ashtray. That's ingenious on these trucks because you're always looking for a place to put your drink. Sun visors, headliner, dome light. All in great shape. Dash is very nice. Carpet, seat belts, jams. Got GMC floor mats as well. Rally wheels, BF Goodrich. Mud Terrain TA tires, bumper, grill, headlights, they've all been replaced. Got the upgraded headlights in it. Says it's a 5-liter 305. I didn't look at the numbers. Somebody may have put a 350 in it. I'm not really sure. I didn't check it, but it says it's 305. We're going to say it's a 305. New hood insulator, very, very nicely put together underneath the hood. Like I say, factory air conditioning, all new lights, trim rings, caps, nuts, lockouts, all that stuff has all been replaced. Door panels are very nice. Power windows go up and down. Got a spray-on bed liner. Got some dust and dirt in the bed there. I washed this thing on Saturday, and I let it sit out for about 4 or 5 hours. I come back, and the whole inside of the box is all dirty. And it is what it is. It's a truck, right, folks? It's a gorgeous pickup. Dual exhaust. You can look down the sides of it. You can see how nice the paint is. Seat's super comfortable. Sounds great. Air blows cold. What a beautiful truck. Got one headlight. Just a connection. Sounds great. Just an absolute gorgeous pickup. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. KINIONauto.com. It's got newer exhaust manifolds on it as well. Man, what a nice truck. Air feels wonderful. It's got dual tanks as well. Clouds in the sky today as well. Just a beautiful day out. Truck really rides and drives nice. I mean, you hit a few bumps. I mean, it's got 35s on it. I mean, it's gonna have, you know, it rides like a truck, but I mean, all the shocks are new. It's a great running and driving pickup. I love this truck. '87 GMC 1500 four-wheel drive, regular cab, 8-foot box, fuel injected, 5V8 automatic four-wheel drive. What a gorgeous truck. I don't think they come any cooler, any nicer, any sharper, any cleaner. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. KinionAuto.com. Check out this bad boy, as well as any other pickups that we have. We have a lot of trucks in stock, a lot of really nice ones. So give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.